channel is all about teaching early education for small kids by helping you improve your skills in an easy and fun way. Hello, hello, hello. Today, what are we going to do, Marcelo? We're going to do a space Play-Doh.
Yeah.
Yes. So,
We're going to do this.
we need to use, what is this?
A cup.
It's a cup, yes, and inside the cup we have flour. And now, what is this?
Green.
It's another cup color green, yes, and inside we have salt. And also have another cup color blue, and inside we have
Oh, yeah.
oil, yes.
And
Also, we need
cover.
food colorings. We are going to use color blue and color red because we're going to have like color purple. And also, what are those, Marcelo? Glitter. We have silver glitter. You can use any color. And we have two spoons. One for Marcelo and one for me. And also, you can have some rocks or diamond or beads, whatever you want or whatever you have at home. So we're going to start, Marcelo. We have to put here. Oh, also, we need a big bowl. We're going to add here.
With a spoon.
With a spoon? Okay, you can do it with a spoon. Oh, we need water also. We need water. Yeah, okay, you can put it all. Yeah. Very good. Marcelo adds flour first. And then we need salt. 1 cup of flour and a half of salt. Be careful. Okay. Very good. You can do it with your spoon. Wow, it's much fun for them. Wonderful job. We need 2 spoons of oil. Whoop.
What?
And now we can mix. And we need water too. So we're going to add the water just slowly. Good job, Marcelo. We're going to mix. And I'm going to add a little bit of water. Mix, Marcelo, mix. Mix, 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 mix. Very good. And we're going to add food coloring. Remember, if you want purple, you're going to use color red. Maybe like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 drops and 5 drops of color blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mix, Marcelo, mix. You need more water? I can put more water. Very good. And now you're gonna mix, 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 mix. Then you're gonna toss. Maybe if you need more flour, you can add more flour. You want me to help you? Okay, let's see. Yeah, we put a lot of water. So look, it's turned color purple. We have more flour here, so we're gonna add more flour here.
What? That flour?
Yes, that was a highly flour. Mix, mix, mix. Mix. I think we need a little bit more. Mix. Very good. It's almost our space Play-Doh. Whoa. Very good, Marcelo. Yeah, you can touch it. And we're going to add glitter. Wow. And you're going to mix again. Let's put a little bit more.
No, it's purple.
It's color purple, yes. I'm going to put this down so we can play with our space Play-Doh. Wow, look. If you need, you can add a little bit more flour. So, look, you can have in your hands. Well, we're ready. And you can decorate with some stars or a rock,
Or a heart.
a heart. What else?
A star.
Another star. And look, you can have your space Play-Doh. Marcelo, tell your friends that we are
Watching you.
watching you.
And we're guys.
Bye, bye, bye. Let's go to the moon.